2004 Toyota Tundra extended cab, one owner, 118,000 miles. Timing belt and water pump have been changed. Again, this is a one owner in like new condition. Amazing condition for its age. It's the TRD Off-Road Series. Running boards, sliding rear window, tow package. Rust-free Texas vehicle. Like new tires. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. $118,000. Original floor mats, keyless entry. Like I said, in amazing condition. Vehicle is running, you can hear it. 2004 Toyota Tundra, four-door extended cab, 118,000 miles, two-wheel drive, one owner, in wonderful condition.